In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create funnel paths or decision trees within your funnels. So I'm back in my funnel over here, and we might want to offer our users the ability to say no and opt out at a certain point in our funnel. To do that, we'll scroll down here to our upsell page, for example. That's a good spot for people to opt out. They've bought the product, maybe they don't want to buy the upsell. So what we're going to do is click here on the path icon here, and then we can go ahead and start adding paths. So let's add a second path. The first path I'm going to call yes, and the second path I'm going to call no. And I'm going to make path 1 green, and I'm going to make path 2 red. Now you can add as many paths as you need to, but for this example, I'm only going to add those 2 paths, and I'm going to hit save. And so now I want to go ahead and give this a page. So I'm going to click here, and I'm going to say thank you, and I'm going to hit save. And now I want to come into my upsell page, and I'm going to click edit. And I want to come to this button over here that says, no thanks, I don't want to double my sales. And I'm going to redirect it to path 2 no, which is just our thank you page. And we're going to publish those changes. And then when we navigate back to our funnel, and then we can navigate back here, and we don't need to worry about this action because nothing is going to happen. We don't want anything to happen at this point in the stage. It just wants us to add a product because it's happening after the upsell. So there's really nothing to worry about. When they click no, then it's just going to simply take them to that thank you page. You can also add these paths at any point in your funnel as well. So if you've got these 2 paths, you can come here to path 2 and you can add extra paths over here, and you can keep building out your funnel like that as you need to. So that is how you can add paths or decision trees within your funnels. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can split test pages within your funnel. I'll see you there.